Okay, today we're going to make a kind of like a dump and go meal. Got some French onion soup, crispy onions, some broccoli. I want to chop those up a little bit. We got some chicken. Now, you can use whatever kind of chicken you want. For me, this is just easier today. You can use any kind of chicken you want. So, I'm actually going to make a double batch of this. And then, got some biscuits here. So you can, I'm just going to use this chunk chicken. It's already ready. Let's get the bacon. Okay, so right now I have the chicken, the broccoli, the cheese, the French onions dip, French onion dip. I forgot, you gotta have cream of mushroom in here too. So I have all that in the bowl. I'm gonna mix that up. Then I'm gonna take some of these biscuits, pull those out, cut them up, and we'll get them in there. But right now I'm just gonna mix all of this together so it's really nice and creamy and smooth. And we'll come back when I do the biscuits. Okay, so I'm taking these are really small biscuits, and I'm cutting them in fours. And we're going to dump them in here, and we're going to mix it all together really well after I get them all cut up. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the plate. So got some good old broccoli there. It's nice and golden brown, these biscuits. You can see the biscuits in there. Let's see. Oh, got a nice cheese. There's some chicken. These French fried onions. Make this a little bit smaller. Browned up quite nice. Now I end up keeping it in there for about 45 minutes, but I had quite a big dish. I seen this recipe on Pinterest. I'll take a bite of the chicken. That's not a good flavor. The only seasonings I actually added were garlic powder. I didn't add no salt or anything. Yeah. Let's see how this biscuit tastes. Basically, you're cooking it till the biscuits are done. Let me try this. It's a little hot yet. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. Oh, I like this one. And of course, you got the broccoli. Well, actually, I got the broccoli in here, and there's some cauliflower. Why? Because why not? Vegetables are good. I like vegetables. And this one I'll make again. That is really good. Try it out.